Hi, I'm Martin Kitching, CEO and founder of eLocate. Today I'm joined via live video feed by Adriano De Santis, a senior account executive at emnify, a global leader in IoT connectivity. emnify's technology enables devices like the ones eLocate is producing to stay connected anywhere in the world seamlessly, securely, and without fixed infrastructure. We'll be talking about how global connectivity makes energy harvesting IoT solutions like the eLocate Smart Tracker possible, and what the future of industrial IoT looks like as connectivity continues to evolve. Adriano, thanks for joining me today. To kick things off, could you please give us a quick overview of emnify and how it's able to enable global IoT connectivity?
emnify is a global cellular IoT connectivity platform provider. We are based in Berlin, Germany, but have global presence. The company enables Internet of Things devices, such as trackers or sensors or industrial machines, to connect securely to cellular networks worldwide through a single cloud-based interface. So instead of relying on local SIMs or traditional roaming, emnify uses a multi-network eSIM that dynamically selects the best operator in over 180 countries. Our platform integrates directly with cloud environments such as AWS, Azure, GCP, and allows IoT businesses to manage their connectivity, data routing, and security through APIs and dashboards.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your answer. And I can say the connectivity with the devices in 180 countries worldwide is something that we're seeing today, and connecting seamlessly, securely without any connectivity issues. So we can say that this is a proven and a recognized technology that's doing exactly as you say. Now, may I ask, how does emnify's approach to connectivity differ from what we'd normally expect with regards to normal mobile phone providers?
Traditional MNOs, so mobile network operators, focus on consumer SIMs and local markets. emnify, by contrast, is a cloud-native mobile core network built entirely for IoT, so for machine M2M communication. This means that we provide global multi-network access via one eSIM rather than multiple local agreements, API-driven control and integration with the enterprise systems and cloud infrastructure, usage-based pricing and scalability tailored to thousands or even millions of devices, and security by design. This includes private IPs, VPNs, and traffic segmentation. And this makes emnify more flexible, automated, and globally consistent than standard carriers. Essentially, we bring speed and control to our customers, and that makes their business grow faster and leaner.
We often hear the term M2M, so machine to machine. When we're describing that to everybody, can you please break it down and explain more about M2M and what it provides?
M2M, or machine-to-machine communication, refers to direct data exchange between devices without human intervention. It's basically the technological foundation of IoT, and it enables applications like fleet management, smart metering, predictive maintenance, and connected healthcare, for example. And M2M typically uses cellular or LPWAN networks to transmit telemetry data from devices to sensor servers. The focus here is on reliability, low power use, and persistent connectivity across many endpoints.
And from your perspective, what makes emnify stand out as an IoT connectivity provider? So what makes you unique?
I think we can say that Emnify's uniqueness lies in being the first truly cloud-native IoT connectivity platform. We virtualized the entire mobile core network on AWS, allowing rapid scaling, automation, and global reach without a physical infrastructure. Our main differentiators include an API-centric design enabling integration with any cloud service, global multi-IMSI eSIMs, which ensure local quality and compliance, real-time analytics and SIM lifecycle automation features, and finally, advanced security controls such as email lock and private IP routing. Essentially, emnify transforms telecom infrastructure into a SaaS model for IoT.
Thank you for your answer. As per our devices, we have the option of cellular connectivity, and we also have the option of satellite connectivity, NTN, so non-terrestrial networks. This is huge at the moment, and this is something that you hear quite common. There's a lot of buzz regarding this. Could you explain more about this?
End-to-end stands for Non-Terrestrial Networks, and it refers to satellite-based cellular connectivity integrated with the 3GPP standards. It basically extends mobile coverage beyond terrestrial cell towers, covering oceans, deserts, and any remote region. NTN includes LEO, so low Earth orbit constellations, GEO, so geostationary satellites, and HAPS, meaning high altitude platforms. Its goal is to provide seamless global IoT and broadband coverage where ground infrastructure is either limited or absent.
Great. What kind of end-to-NTN services do emnify offer? And how do these work together with your existing cellular solutions? So how does it come together?
emnify integrates NTN as part of its global IoT connectivity offering through partnerships with the satellite operators. What we provide is hybrid terrestrial and satellite connectivity for resilient, always-on IoT use cases, unified SIM eSIM management across terrestrial and NTN networks, and standard 3GPP compliant interfaces to ensure interoperability with both LEO and GEO constellations. Basically, this enables applications like maritime logistics, remote asset tracking, and environmental monitoring to maintain continuous coverage worldwide under a single emnify subscription.
Brilliant, thank you. Now, one thing that's very important to us as an IoT device integrator and solution provider is the future. How is this system future-proofed, and what's happening in the future? So if I could, I'd like to ask you a question regarding looking ahead. How do we see the connectivity landscape over, let's say, the next 5 years? And how is emnify preparing itself to stay ahead of the curve and keeping us ahead of the curve?
This is a great question, and it's always difficult to predict the future, right? But we do see several structural shifts underway. The first one is 5G RedCap. So 5G reduced capability will dominate IoT, providing high efficiency and longevity for connected devices. Secondly, eSIM adoption will likely eliminate physical SIM logistics. Then there's NTN integration, and this will expand through global coverage. Another shift is into network slicing and private LTE 5G, and this will give enterprises custom performance tiers. And lastly, I would say AI-driven network automation will reduce cost and latency. So essentially, the market will increasingly converge between terrestrial and satellite, with billions of IoT devices managed via cloud platforms rather than telcos.
Brilliant. And finally, as the demand of global IoT connectivity keeps growing, how is emnify preparing to support that and to scale up for the global market?
emnify is aligning around three strategic pillars: platform expansion, intelligent connectivity, and ecosystem integration. When it comes to platform expansion, we will be extending our cloud native core to support 5G standalone, RedCap, and NTN connectivity. In terms of intelligent connectivity, we will be leveraging analytics, AI, and automation for self-optimizing connectivity and proactive troubleshooting. And finally, ecosystem integration means we'll be developing deep partnerships with the hyperscalers, satellite providers, and IoT platforms for end-to-end orchestration. In essence, by 2030, emnify aims to be the connectivity layer for every global IoT service, combining cellular, satellite, and cloud intelligence under one unified model.
Thank you. Now, always a pleasure to speak, and may I say a few words with what we've seen so far with utilizing the emnify solution. We've seen connectivity with over 220 airports globally within the first 3 weeks of a significant rollout. We see as we scaling up with business with Avios ULD and their customer DHL, where we're rolling out 30,000 devices, that we see seamless connectivity going into this rollout, and where we're connecting with from Hawaii over to Fiji, to Iceland, down to Argentina. We really are seeing global connectivity. So I'd really like to thank you for your time today, but also I'd like to thank you on behalf of the eLocate team for emnify's support over the development project, helping us with getting and achieving this connectivity. Much appreciated. So again, thanks for your time, and thank you for spending the time and helping to share some information regarding emnify with those that's listening to this podcast. Thank you very much.
Thank you.